What if I told you your brain is doing things right now that most people never hear about? It controls your thoughts, memories, emotions, choices, and movements. But the deeper truth is even stranger. Your brain is not just reacting to the world. Fact 1. Your brain cannot feel pain. Your brain processes pain from the rest of your body, but the brain itself has no pain receptors. That means the organ that lets you feel pain cannot directly feel pain on its own. That is also why some brain surgeries can be done while a patient is awake. The tissues around the brain can hurt. The brain tissue itself cannot. Fact 2. It uses huge amounts of energy. Your brain is only a small part of your body weight, but it uses about 20% of your body's energy at rest. That is because it is always active, sending signals, maintaining networks, filtering information, and controlling everything from breathing to memory. Even when you feel like you are doing nothing, your brain is still working hard. Fact 3. Not all brain cells are neurons. Most people think the brain is all about neurons, but many brain cells are actually glial cells, which support, protect, feed, and clean up around neurons. For years, they were treated like simple helpers, but now we know they do far more than that. Your brain works because of the entire system, not neurons alone. Fact 4. Your brain rewires itself. Your brain is not fixed. Thanks to neuroplasticity, it can reorganize itself throughout your life. When you learn a skill, break a habit, or recover from injury, your brain can strengthen old pathways and build new ones. Your repeated thoughts and actions help shape your brain over time. Fact 5. Memory is rebuilt, not replayed. Most people imagine memory like pressing play on a recording, but memory does not work that way. When you remember something, your brain reconstructs it. It pieces together fragments of detail, meaning, and emotion. That makes memory powerful but also unreliable. So even a vivid memory may not be perfectly accurate. Every memory is partly rebuilt each time you recall it. Fact 6. Your brain predicts reality. Your brain does not just react to the world, it predicts it. Because processing takes time, your brain is constantly making fast guesses about what will happen next, so your experience feels smooth and immediate. So what you experience is not just raw reality, it is reality mixed with prediction. Your brain is always editing the present before you consciously notice it. Fact 7. Your brain is busy when you rest. Rest does not mean your brain shuts down. When your mind wanders, a system called the default mode network becomes active. This network is involved in self-reflection, imagination, memory, and thinking about the future. So, staring into space may look unproductive, but your brain may be doing some of its most important internal work. Fact 8. Sleep helps clean the brain. Sleep is not just rest, it is maintenance. During sleep, the brain becomes better at clearing away waste products that build up during the day. It works like a nightly cleanup process. That is one reason sleep matters so much for memory, focus, and long-term brain health. Skipping sleep does not just make you tired, it may also interrupt your brain's recovery system. Fact 9. Your gut talks to your brain. Your brain and gut are in constant communication. This is called the gut-brain axis. Signals move back and forth through nerves, hormones, and chemical messengers. That helps explain why stress can affect your stomach and why your stomach can seem to react before your thoughts catch up. The phrase gut feeling may be more real than it sounds. Fact 10. Smell is deeply tied to memory. Have you ever smelled something and instantly remembered a moment from years ago? That happens because smell has a close connection to brain regions linked to emotion and memory. A scent can trigger feelings and memories almost instantly. A perfume, a meal, old books, hospital air, or rain on pavement can bring back the past in seconds. So those were 10 human brain facts most people never hear. Your brain cannot feel pain, yet it creates your experience of pain. It burns huge amounts of energy, and the strangest part is, all of this is happening inside your head right now. Which fact surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. And if you enjoy videos that make you question what you know, subscribe to Believe or Think, Turn on notifications and join us for more mind-bending facts, psychology, and thought-provoking content. This is Believe or Think, where curiosity gets deeper.